10 things that rich people do and the poor don't. Many people question how rich people get rich in a world of average people and average earnings. Who doesn't want to be affluent enough to be able to stop working, go on wild shopping sprees, and take unlimited vacations? Without having to worry about money, you may live and enjoy every moment of your life. Rich people, on the other hand, shun most of these things when it comes to accumulating and maintaining their riches. The wealthy understand how money works and strive for long-term financial independence and riches rather than living a life of irresponsible spending, which may swiftly deplete even a wealthy person's bank account. The self-made wealthy aren't always the brightest individuals on the earth. Rather, they have mastered a few key principles that help them build and maintain riches. Most significantly, the wealthy view wealth as a teachable skill and create habits that aid in wealth preservation. Number 10. Rich people get paid based on results. Poor people labor hard to generate more money for their boss, and instead of looking for new ways to improve their talents and become better people, they think about how they can better serve their boss. The wealthy understand that in order to become wealthy, they must first work for themselves and pay themselves. That is why the wealthy strive to improve themselves, because they recognize the importance of value, which means that if you produce poor goods, you will get mediocre profits. All of the big billionaires, including Bill Gates, Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk, and others, began this way. Number 9. Rich people take calculated risks. The wealthy do not make hasty financial judgments. Instead, they do all possible to reduce risk. They conduct research and analysis before investing their hard-earned money in a firm to decide which solutions best meet their financial demands and business goals. They make financial judgments by asking themselves questions about a new company enterprise or plan and, when necessary, seeking help. Poor individuals rush into quick money schemes without completing their homework. They succumb to peer pressure, and, unlike rich people, they fail to avoid frivolous risks that will not benefit them in the long run. Number 8. Rich people have an action mentality. Rich people are constantly proactive and take action, and they do not wait to act. They understand that they are in charge of their own fate and that being wealthy is contingent on their efforts. Poor individuals require the assistance of someone or something else in order to become wealthy. Poor people feel that luck, rather than hard work, is what makes people wealthy. In addition, poor individuals enjoy gambling for success and playing the lottery. The wealthy, on the other hand, devise a strategy that includes specific actions for achieving their goals. They don't leave anything to chance and are in charge of their own destiny. They don't need permission from anyone to do something with their lives. Every day, they take steps toward obtaining their intended outcome. Number 7. Rich people network with other rich people. Wealthy people recognize the value of surrounding themselves with other successful people, and this is a skill that anyone who aspires to be wealthy must master. Rather than congregating with people who spend the majority of their time engaging in frivolous activities, the wealthy associate with others who are wealthy but also possess the drive, talent, and, most importantly, the potential to succeed. Every month, the wealthy spend time at conferences, seminars, and meetings getting to know other like-minded people, or simply grabbing coffee or a drink with an ambitious person. This is time well spent since it keeps their minds on success and allows them to meet new people with new ideas. Number 6. Rich people learn continuously. Rich people continue to learn because they understand that greater information equals more opportunity. They must learn how to improve themselves in order to make fewer errors. Poor people believe they are perfect and do not require any additional information. And it is because of this thinking that they continue to be impoverished without improving. Rich people are aware of their imperfections and do not strive to achieve perfection. They must improve rather than perfect themselves. Number 5. Rich people take responsibility for their own failures. Poor people constantly have someone to blame for their misfortunes. They never admit to making errors and never learn from them. This is what sets the rich apart from the impoverished. Rich people accept responsibility for their own failures and utilize them to learn how to develop and become better at what they do. They are able to achieve better achievements as a result of this. As a result, their own self-worth improves. As a result of learning from their failures, they are able to make more money. Number 4. Rich people create multiple income flows. It is easier to make more money if you have more money. Having various revenue streams is also one of the quickest strategies to make extra money. Due to unforeseen circumstances, the wealthy do not rely on a single source of income. The wealthy stay wealthy by diversifying their sources of income and investing the excess cash in new sources of income. This is the fundamental means through which the wealthy maintain their wealth. Understand that there are two types of income: active income and passive income. Active income is money generated from your daily labor, while passive income is money produced from an asset you own or a service you provide that provides a regular stream of revenue. Number 3. Rich people focus on investing. We've all heard of Warren Buffett, the famed billionaire investor who got his wealth from a portfolio of investments. If you look at other top billionaires, you'll notice how many various investments they've made. You will never be wealthy if you aim to save your money rather than invest it in great investments. Let's say you earn $100,000 per year and put your money in the bank. To become a billionaire, you must save all of the money you will earn over the next 10 years. Even so, there's no assurance you'll be wealthy after inflation and other unexpected expenses. It's possible that you'll never achieve the $1 million milestone. Number 2. Rich people have a financial growth mindset. The rich see stepping stones where the impoverished see hurdles. This is achievable because wealthy people are extremely inventive when it comes to thinking about business and generating revenue. The wealthy distinguish themselves from the poor by instilling a financial growth attitude in their children, allowing them to perceive money in a new light and spotting profitable chances where the poor cannot. This abundance mindset encourages successful and rich people to feel that there is always more money to be produced, even if they are already prosperous. Number 1. Rich people read books. While the poor enjoy Netflix and other television programs, the wealthy are constantly learning new things through educating themselves, obtaining new knowledge, and doing new things they couldn't do previously. It's important to understand that reading books does not necessarily imply reading romance novels or fiction. These are books for entertainment purposes only, not to learn how to become wealthy. The wealthy read books that will help them achieve their objectives. One such book is The Richest Man in Babylon, which is a wonderful read for people looking to grow their riches. The wealthy broaden their knowledge and increase their potential to acquire more wealth by reading books.